Hello there. This is Amazingly Chen. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is a very beautiful time to explore the nature. So I am going to present to you all today about the nature walk and what are the benefits of nature walk and what are the value of nature. So let's start off. What is a nature walk? A nature walk is an educational trail, sometimes called educational path, nature trail, or nature walk, especially developed hiking trail or footpath that runs through the countryside, along which there are marked stations or stops next to points of the nature, technology, and cultural interest. Why nature walk is important. The study conducted by researcher of University of Michigan found that taking group nature walks is associated with a whole host of mental health benefits, including decreased depression, improved well-being and mental health, and lower perceived stress. So in nature walk, you can also value the beauty of the nature, and also it helps with the economy, it helps with our society, and just the existence of our nature, our forests, rivers, oceans and soils provides us with food that we eat, the air that we breathe, and the water that irrigate our crops. So because nature is free, we often take it for granted and overexploit it. So today I would like you to enjoy the beauty of the nature and how it helps our health and mental health benefit, and also it improves our immune system, and it also give us fresh air and boosts our health. So it's also one way of family time, exercise, and brain growth. So enjoy taking opportunity to play outside and explore, and be motivated to go out and have good walking practice. So here we are. Please enjoy this beautiful nature that my favorite pathway from our back trail in our community. Have fun.
At least you can stretch your tummy after eating.
Foot trail that can bring you back to my home. Wonderful. Oh, they cleaned it out. Oh, what's that? I-close up mo yan.
Di man makita.
Huh?
Dili man maano yaman. Mura man patay.
Taas. Ay, di pa maklaro. Nang kusing ko sa tikat. Welcome to the Kashinda Tulay. We managed to catch you. Alam mo, ang Italian mag-had sa isap. No.
Bawal ba yan?
Dili, as gobyerno to nagabas. Gobyerno to nagabas ba naghindo?
Oo, kay inin kwan man. Wala man tayong fireplace. Saan tayo makapagsugba?
Lagi, baka sila magpalitas. Dati kalami.
Oh, pwede tayo man. Hoy, pakisabi pala kay asing na mag-order ako ng ribs kahit na mahal. Mas Yeah, madaya naka-order na.
I love this scenery here. Beautiful capture. Oh. Pagkapyana yan dyan. Kapyana. Picturean mo tayo dyan. Nice. Ano kami din inibisibo magkaki.
See? You can hear spring because the bird is singing. Huh? Hey, can you hear that? Happy birds. Happy bird. Happy. Hindi pa karadyo makita.
Baka may nag-ano naglinis. Ha? Leaves are starting to come up. Ikaw naman po sindan.
No.
Hangin.
No.
Yes. Picture eh. Love you. This one here also is good for winter.
I did this so many
Would be nice.
Kinakloid ako. Ang speeded sa ano.
So beautiful, so beautiful.
ba itong bagyatanan?
Hi. Dabo na bird?
Una.
Geese? Ganda sa na pond kay storm water lang. Pero connected man yan doon sa tulay, di ba? Big tree. Geese? Pato? Walanggam. Tubig.
Tubig. Isa lang siya.
Ganda. Ang walanggam. Ang liit. Discovery. Road to Discovery.
Oh my dear. One man creek.
Huh?
Creek. Oh.
Wow.
Marine bus.
Oh. Deep
Ay, mayroon din palang trail doon.
trail.
Oh.
Uy, balik na. This is the side hill. Very dangerous move.
Yes. You have to be careful.
Explore. Adventure. Adventure, adventure. This is the end?
Nagano sila oh, naglagay sila ng kahoy na
Oh, para niya din adto din dito nya tangas ngadto to rin.
Oh, no, you can use that.
Wala ituyok na
ano pa.
No, like there, that rail
Yeah,
there
but yun na
down.
nga oh, yan ang kanilang tulay-tulay.
gaana.
Tapos, the other side is highway.
Hi, highway.
Wala sa ka.
Ayan yung church. Diba? This is a dangerous hill.
Simbahan sa kuan. 70 Adventist.
There's waterfall.
Ana nindot kay kahit tanaw ni mo yan.
Pagka ano siguro mo balik ka lang dito, pakita mo yung lahat ay ano na.
Covered. Still bare because it's still spring and leaves are starting to come out. So coming from winter, the trees are still bare. Look at the trees. Very, very empty. Leaves are... Dili, ibig sabihin mulupad. Tabok.
Oh,
In the image of God.
pag nabali dyan sa nga, diretso ka. Maano siguro yung lapok.
Whoa, the creek at the top of the hill.
Ano, wala pang view down. Puro pa mga maliwanag.
Maliwanag sa dilim. Thank you so much for being with us and continuing to watch this video till the end. We really appreciate your time and your favor, and your comments and likes are really appreciated. If it is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, and a reminder that Nature is beautiful and it is alive, moving, and reproductive. And if we observe the nature, we can see its growth and development of the living things, and also we can see the deteriorating things in the nature. So, especially the man made one. Nothing is quite beautiful alone, nothing but is beautiful in the whole. Emerson. Bye bye.